Knowledge Train, a leading provider of accredited online courses, has announced the launch of its innovative SCORM Connector. This development is significant for Knowledge Train's clients, as the SCORM Connector promises to enhance the way e-learning content is distributed, ensuring secure and efficient access across various platforms. The cloud-based system not only offers version control and rapid updates, but also maintains strict content security by sharing only SCORM dispatch packages. This approach reduces the demand on client platforms and provides intuitive licensing management, making it easier for clients to manage access and updates. The introduction of the SCORM Connector marks a crucial step in Knowledge Train's commitment to delivering cutting-edge online courses. The SCORM Connector is designed to transform how Knowledge Train's clients receive and manage e-learning content. This launch represents a significant advancement in our delivery of online courses, stated Jay Gao, Operations Manager at Knowledge Train. Our clients will benefit from a system that not only secures their content, but also simplifies distribution and management processes. By utilizing lightweight SCORM files, the system dramatically reduces resource demands on client learning management systems, LMS. This ensures that updates are seamlessly integrated, thereby maintaining the integrity and currency of course content. Knowledge Train's dedication to innovation in e-learning is reflected in this new offering, which is expected to set a new standard in the industry. Knowledge Train's SCORM Connector is a testament to the company's commitment to providing top-notch e-learning solutions. Clients interested in exploring this new system can find more information on Knowledge Train's website. This cloud-based solution ensures that course content remains under strict control, with updates pushed to all connected client LMS platforms within minutes. By visiting the Self-Paced Online Courses page, clients can discover how this tool can enhance their learning platforms. The emphasis on secure content management and flexible distribution ensures that Knowledge Train continues to meet the evolving demands of modern e-learning environments. This initiative is part of a broader strategy to leverage technological advancements for improved educational outcomes. Jay Gao further emphasized the benefits of the SCORM Connector, noting its role in safeguarding course content. Our solution allows for unparalleled control over who accesses our content and how it's distributed, Zhao commented. This capability is crucial for clients who require robust security and streamlined content management. Knowledge Train's SCORM Connector not only integrates seamlessly with various LMS platforms, but also allows for distribution to external users through direct email invitations. This flexibility ensures a broad reach while maintaining content protection. For more information, clients are encouraged to visit Knowledge Train's homepage here. The SCORM Connector's ability to adapt to different platforms highlights its role as a versatile tool in the e-learning landscape, offering both security and convenience. The introduction of the SCORM Connector could potentially transform the e-learning industry, setting a precedent for how educational content is shared and managed. By providing a robust framework for content distribution, Knowledge Train positions itself as a leader in the e-learning sector. The potential implications of this technology extend beyond immediate benefits, paving the way for future innovations in digital education. As more organizations recognize the importance of secure content management, systems like the SCORM Connector will likely become integral to educational strategies worldwide. Knowledge Train's initiative could inspire similar advancements across the industry, further enhancing the accessibility and effectiveness of online learning. For those interested in learning more about Knowledge Train and its innovative solutions, additional information is available on the company's website. By visiting their homepage, potential clients and partners can explore the comprehensive range of online courses and discover how Knowledge Train is shaping the future of e-learning. SCORM Connector represents just one aspect of the company's commitment to excellence and innovation in education. As the industry continues to evolve, Knowledge Train remains at the forefront, offering cutting-edge solutions that meet the diverse needs of its clients.